Hi, I'm Charlie Walker from SICK UK. I'm the Digital Solutions Consultant and I'm here at LC Automation in Blackburn today. I'd like to take a few minutes to talk to you about our MPB10 sensor, Vibration Condition Monitoring and Analysis. The MPB10 can measure vibration in 3 axes as well as shock and also temperature through the backplate. Where the MPB10 really comes to life is when you start making some use of the data it can generate. And here we can see our SOPAS commissioning interface, where I'll take you through a bit more detail. You can obtain data in the time domain on the MPB10 as well as data in the frequency domain via the onboard fast Fourier transform. All of this data is available simultaneously via your IO-Link interface. If I turn the motor on that the MPB10 is connected to, you can see now we get a lot of really useful information coming back through, including ARMS, VRMS and variance. This is in the time domain. We can also get information around skewness, ptosis, peak-to-peak values, shape factor, crest factor and impulse factor. All of this data is available directly from the sensor via the IO-Link indexes. You can also see we talk about the severity zone, which is related to the ISO standard ISO 10816-3. The sensor is fully compliant with that and allows an easy plug-and-play method of getting online and making the most of your sensor's data. In addition to SOPAS, we can also connect the data to many other platforms. One of those that I'd like to show you is Field Analytics, one of our software platforms that we can use either on-premise or in the cloud. In this case, I'm going to show you the on-premise version. Here we can see an instance of SICK's Field Analytics software. On this screen we're measuring ARMS and VRMS in 3 axes directly from the MPB10 sensor via a SIG 200 IO-Link master. You can see when I turn the motor on, we'll start to trend data with a slight lag because this is a historical analysis of the data. Here you can see the ARMS and the VRMS values starting to come through, and we're also seeing the temperature on the back plate of the sensor and also the cycle time of the data harvesting. The timescale that you wish to work with can be changed to your requirements, anything from a few minutes up to a few weeks or months, and indeed as long as you need regarding the size of your hard drive so that you don't run out of data storage space. If I drop the speed of the motor slightly, you'll be able to see that the values change on the screen. Start to see a dip in the VRMS and the ARMS. And what this could show you in the longer term would be the ability to start trending your data and seeing how things change and what those mean for you in your production status. As you can see, we're going to turn the motor off now. We'll watch those values drop. And on this very short term, you can see what's happening. But over a much longer term, you'd get a much deeper understanding of the data at your fingertips. If vibration monitoring with the MPB10 is something you need, get in touch with LC Automation and we'll help them to deliver a demonstration to you or even get you onto a trial system. Thank you for watching.